Hello, my dear CMA final students. I'm Sainath, your law faculty. So this is a brief review video for CMA final law question paper for June 2025 attempt. Okay, first of all, let's check the question paper pattern. So in earlier attempts, the pattern which is being followed by the CMA Institute, the same pattern is followed even in this attempt also. That means 15 MCQs, each MCQ 2 marks, total 30 marks. 7 descriptive questions. So out of 7, we are required to write only 5 descriptive questions. That means we can take 2 questions as choice, and 5 into 14, it is 70 marks. Next one. So each descriptive question will have 2 sub questions, and each sub question will have 7 marks. So in earlier attempts, whatever the pattern that is followed, the same is followed here also. So there is no change in question paper pattern. The next one. Let's see the MCQs first. So first MCQ number 1 to MCQ number 4. So actually this is a practical question which was already there in CMA sources. Now this practical question is converted into scenario based MCQs. So those who read that practical question can easily answer this question. Okay, now let's check the answers. Is the present board of directors properly constituted? So which of the following statement is correct? The correct statement is option D. So actually it is not properly constituted because minimum independent directors required is 2, not available. Next one, minimum women director is 1, not available. And the bank is about to propose a woman director, but it is not yet appointed. It is not yet finalized. So that is the reason why in this case there is no woman director. As there is no woman director and no independent director. So in this case, what will happen? The board of directors composition is deemed to be invalid. Next one. Can Mr. Raman Kumar be considered as independent director? No, he is related to a promoter. That's why answer is no. B. Is there any need of woman director? Yes, because the turnover exceeded 300 crores. So that is the reason why having at least one woman director is mandatory. What will be the status of director nominated by SBI? Nominee director, because she was nominated by SBI. Can she be treated as woman director? Yes. So correct option is C. So by this we completed all 4 MCQs based on that scenario. Now independent questions. In case of private limited companies, as per Companies Act 2013, what are the criteria for appointment of internal auditor? Turnover should be 200 crores or more. Outstanding liability from banks or financial institutions must be 100 crores. So the correct answer is A. So which of the following will qualify as CSR expenditure? So 2, 3, 4 will qualify as CSR expenditure, whereas 1 is not called as CSR expenditure because it need to be given to recognized charitable institution. So that's why the correct answer is 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4 means option C. So IBC is not applicable on financial service providers. Under the IBC, a person shall not be eligible to submit a resolution plan if such person or any other person acting jointly or in concert with such person. So all the 3 points are applicable. So that's why answer is option A. So SEBI has 3 functions rolled into one body, that is legislative, judicial, executive. Then which of the following is not the function of SEBI? Quasi-official. Next one. Unfair competition under Competition Act 2002 means adoption of practices, that is, so all the 3. So correct option is B. So in the course of doing business, if a MSME unit goes to next category, then it can avail all non-tax benefit for next 3 years. Next one. The ultimate order of winding up of a banking company in India emerges from. So it will be emerged from High Court. The correct answer is High Court. So RBI need to make an application to High Court. Next one. Venus Limited, an Indian company, has issued equity shares to Mr. K, a resident in Singapore. Under the Indian law, such shares are. So when it is issued by Indian company, always they are called as Indian securities. Option A. So which of the following is not a cyber crime under Information Technology Act? So actually, all the given options are cyber crimes only. But sending threatening messages by email is a cyber crime which is covered under IPC, Indian Penal Code, and remaining 4 got covered under Information Technology Act. So they are asking about not a cyber crime under Information Technology Act. So the correct option is A. So, and for last bit, the answer is B. Insurance policy issued by an insurer shall not be questioned after 3 years. Next one. Let's go to descriptive questions. Question 2A. So it is from investments and loans chapter. It is a very simple question, and this question is even covered in marathon material. Next one. It is A category question only. Next 2B. So it is about management of affairs of corporate debtors by IRP. So this is covered under IBC. So this question is already there in marathon material, and this is also A category question. That means 2A, 2B both are from A category questions only, A category concepts only. And even both the questions got covered in marathon material. Next one. So question number 3A is from board meeting. It is about quorum. So this is A category topic, and this topic is even there in marathon material. Next B, corporate governance related point, which is related to family business. This is also A category topic, and even this question is also covered in marathon material. That means 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. All questions are from A category concepts only, and all questions are got covered in marathon material. Next 4A. So this 4A is about powers of board of directors. So there are some restrictions in case of powers of board of directors. So if the total debt, that is existing debt, including proposed debt, if it exceeds shareholder funds, that is unpaid capital, paid up capital plus free reserves plus security premium, then SR is required. So board of directors alone can't make the decision. So this is also important question from A category only. This is covered in marathon material. Next one, obligations of target company. This is from SEBI regulations. This is also very important question. It is also covered in marathon material. That means 2, 3, 4 all are from important category questions only, as well as all are covered in marathon material. Next one, responsibilities of audit committee, cyber crimes against persons. So even these two questions are from A category topics, and even these two questions got covered in marathon material. Next one, manner and effect of takeover of management under SARFAESI Act. So this is C category topic. So this is not covered in marathon material. Next one, question number 6 here. So this is about obligations of maintaining various registers under Companies Act. Very easy question, but C category question. This question is not covered in marathon material. Next one, but you can write on your own by using some common sense, like register of members, register of debenture holders. So like that, you can write the names of various registers. Next one. So this question is covered in marathon material. This is A category topic only. That means out of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So only only two questions are not covered. Remaining questions covered. Next one. So various exceptions under Companies Act regarding rule of majority. So this is A category topic, and this question is even covered in the marathon material. MSME classification. So this is also important. So objectives of IRDA. This is C category topic. But MSME is not covered in marathon material. So this is not covered in marathon material. Next one, objectives of IRDA. Even this is also not covered in marathon material, but in MSME this is A category topic. But in case of insurance, this is somewhat B or C category. Next one, question 8 here. So it is from FEMA. So it is not covered in marathon material, and this is from C category topic only. So better to leave this question as choice. Next one, so features of PMLA. So this is covered in marathon material. That means out of all questions, only 2, 3, 4. So 4 questions are not covered. So out of 14 questions, 4 questions are not covered in marathon material. So you have a chance of taking some questions as choice. So let's apply the choice now. So if you applied choice on question number 7 as well as question number 6, only one question is missing from marathon material. That means if you prepared the marathon material, then so out of 10 questions, actually you are required to write only 10 questions. Out of 10 questions, you can comfortably write 9 questions. So 9 into 7 marks. So 9 into 7 marks. So that is 63 marks. So you can comfortably score 63 marks just by reading marathon material. This is apart from MCQs. So if you prepared well, So that is the MCQs which are given in study material as well as the content of the marathon material. So you can easily score around 20 marks. That means with the help of marathon material as well as MCQs booklet, you can easily attempt for 83 marks. So for me, this paper is very easy. So many students will get easily 50 to 60 marks. So it is mandatory marks. And anything beyond that, so it is nothing but students' hard work and preparation. Okay, students, and all the best for your next exam. Bye.